Okay, we'll see the basic means what are the basics required to do process scheduling algorithms questions. Okay, like we discuss some preemptive and non-preemptive algorithms. Okay, first we will take first come first serve. Okay, I'm using shortcuts. Okay, you know the basic thing. Okay, first you need to know this is a pure non-preemptive algorithm. Okay, non-preemptive nature of the algorithm. Okay, first you need to know some basics like what is meant by AT. I am using most of the shortcuts. Arrival time means a particular process came its time of execution, simple word. Okay, arrival time. Next, what is meant by BT? Burst time. What is this? Burst time means how many milliseconds you are requesting, or I can say CPU time. Okay, CT means completion time. My notation is a little bit different, but this is the easiest way to remember the things. Okay, how it is easy I gonna tell you. Next, arrival time, burst time, completion time, and there is a waiting time. Okay, what is this? Waiting time. These are the times you need to remember, and some other times like turn around time. Okay, turn around time, that is TAT, turn around time, and total turnaround time, total TAT, and total waiting time, total waiting times. Okay, okay, the best approach is you got a question. Okay, take the question like how I am taking. For example, the format, follow the format, simple format. Okay, that will be easy. Okay, for example, if you are writing arrival time first, later completion time, that will make sometimes your problem difficult. Okay, or make sometimes you will write arrival time place there is some different pattern. Okay, that's why follow this. First process ID. Okay, then obviously arrival time, then burst time. These are the simple notation, or I can say this is a simple example. Okay, process ID 0 and 1 and 2. Example, I am taking smaller examples in the initial time. Later we will discuss some few more examples. Okay, try to understand. 0, 4 and 3 o'clock. Okay, this is a simple example. Our initial stage will take some simple examples. Okay, that will make sense. Okay, start. 0, 2 and 4 milliseconds. Burst time is 5 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds and 12 milliseconds. This is a simple example, or I can say simple snapshot of the algorithm. Okay, first you need to take a paper, scratch paper like this. First process ID. Okay, arrival time, burst time, completion time, waiting time, turn around time. Otherwise take first turn around time here, then waiting time here. Why I'm taking here? There is a simple way. For example, A, B, C, then T, W. Okay, follow the format, it will be easy. Okay, first write 0, 1, 2. Okay, processes. Arrival times write 0, 2, 4. Okay, burst time or CPU time means how many minutes you are taking CPU. Okay, first take a Gantt chart. Take a Gantt chart. Okay, a process ID 0 came for 0. Okay, 0. How many minutes it is executing? 5. Until 5, process P0 is using CPU. Okay. Later 5 o'clock, what are the processes came? two processes came, 1 and 2, process 1 and process 2. Okay, but the first priority will goes to, according to this algorithm, it will goes to process 1. Process 1 is taking from 5 to how many minutes it is asking CPU? 8 milliseconds, means that will execute 13. Then the process 2 got a chance for its execution until finishing of 13 plus 12, that is equal to total 25 milliseconds. Okay, this is a simple approach. Okay, first, once you finish the Gantt chart, first add these burst times. This is a simple observation. Okay, why I am telling 5 plus 8 plus 12, this is 25. How you got 25? What is the value of total burst times or total ready queue completion is also 25. Then you can do the remaining stuff. What is completion time? When you are writing completion times, just my observation is start from back onwards. What is this process? P2. What is the last process? P2. When it's completed? 25. What is this process? 13. Okay, you can write here. What is the P0 completion time? 5. Okay, now no need to remember any formulas. Okay, some people are telling like you need to remember that formula, this formula. That's not required. Okay, follow my approach. What is meant by turnaround time? Turnaround time is nothing but a just to take the CT and difference of these two. Remember, difference of these two. Simple observation is difference of these two. 5 minus 0 is 5. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. Okay. When you are finding waiting time, what you gonna take? Take the next one, that is TAT and burst time, difference of these two. Okay, simple observation. No need to remember or no need to by heart any formulas, just simple observations. Okay, waiting time is 0. Next one waiting time is 3. Next one waiting time is, this is 8. Okay, whether what I did it's correct or not, I gonna check. First process P0, wait.